Hello, and welcome from Fishbowl Solutions. Today, we'll be showcasing our packaged integration that brings the power of generative AI to Oracle WebCenter Content. Let's start by demonstrating how easily you can create a training agenda from an existing standard operating procedure, or SOP. I'll locate a document in Oracle WebCenter Content, a 21-page SOP. Next, I'll click on the Generative AI icon. Here, I can choose from suggested prompts or create a custom one. For this example, I'll ask AI to generate a training agenda for onboarding new sales reps on this process. In seconds, AI provides a detailed training agenda to onboard new sales reps on how to log tasks in our CRM system. This same approach can be applied to any procedural training scenario. Now, let's see how AI can help answer natural language questions. In this example, we have Oracle WebCenter documentation stored in our environment. I'll use the built-in virtual assistant and ask, how do I apply a patch to Oracle WebCenter Content? The LLM-powered Smart Search uses semantic analysis to find the relevant information, delivering a tailored, step-by-step response with contextual links to the original documents in Oracle WebCenter. Finally, let's explore how AI can analyze multiple documents collectively. Here, I've gathered a set of Oracle contracts into my collection basket. I'll use the legal assistant to analyze these contracts. By asking AI to summarize the privacy and security clauses, it quickly provides insights and detailed summaries based on the content. These are just a few examples of how generative AI in Oracle WebCenter can streamline content creation, enhance information retrieval, and save valuable time. For more information or to request a personalized demonstration, please contact us. Thanks for watching.